I forgot to hit play. Here. Are you going to finish swallowing that food? What's going on, Stella? You going to finish swallowing that food? No? Are you too tired to finish eating? Are you too tired to finish eating? Yeah, you are. You're going to sleep right in that chair? Yeah, sleeping right in the chair. No food for you. Nope, you're just going right to sleep. Forget about dinner. You're just too tired. Oh. Oh, do you want some more now? No. Well, maybe it's time to go to bed. Oh, okay. Okay, we're going to say goodnight to the camera. Sleepy baby. There she is.